Hello and welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. So today's video is very exciting. I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm doing a giveaway. This is a conjoined giveaway over like my TikTok, Instagram and YouTube. So obviously I do have a bigger presence on TikTok, but I wanted to include like my Instagram and YouTube in this giveaway as well. So I'm giving away a brand new mini special, not even mini really, a special effects starter kit. So in here you get scar wax, you get like a sponge, a makeup sponge, you get a stipple sponge, you get some fake blood, some spirit gum remover, some liquid latex, a Ben Nye colour wheel which has got like the red and all the breezy colours in as well, and then down here there's a brush and an eyeliner pencil. Ooh, I'm nearly dropping it. So, and you've also got like in the back there's like a little guide as well. So yes, I'm going to be giving this away over my social medias. So to enter, you must be subscribed to my YouTube, so subscribe now if you're not already. Comment, like this video and comment why you want to win the giveaway. Make sure you are following my TikTok, and for an extra entry, follow my Instagram and also like the giveaway post on my Instagram. There's a few more details over there for the extra entry. But yeah, I will link my other social medias, obviously my TikTok and my Instagram, in the description. So yeah, this is a pretty cool giveaway. Also, to enter the giveaway, you like comment on my TikTok video about the giveaway, about why you want to win also, and tag your 2 friends, and I will be choosing the giveaway winner on my TikTok by following them back and private messaging them on TikTok to tell them that they've won it. This giveaway is open to the UK only, but yeah, good luck guys. Can't wait. Let's see who wins. Go get following. I'll see you in my next video.